Smart technologies are changing the world. They use computers and data to make things work better. In defense, smart technologies are making armies stronger and safer. These technologies can do many things. They can help soldiers see further. They can help them communicate more quickly. They can even help them make better decisions. Smart technologies are the future of defense. They are making armies more prepared for the challenges of the 21st century. The Bangladesh Armed Forces are using smart technologies to improve their capabilities, making significant strides in modernizing their operations. They are investing in new equipment and training their soldiers to use it effectively. This includes comprehensive training programs that ensure every soldier is proficient with the latest technology. One area of focus is surveillance. Advanced surveillance equipment is being deployed to enhance situational awareness and intelligence gathering. The Bangladesh Armed Forces are using drones and sensors to monitor their borders and protect their territory. These technologies provide real-time data and improve response times to potential threats. Another area of focus is communication. Effective communication is crucial for coordinated operations and mission success. The Bangladesh Armed Forces are using secure communication systems to ensure that their soldiers can always stay in touch. These systems are designed to be reliable and resistant to interference. By embracing smart technologies, the Bangladesh Armed Forces are becoming a more modern and effective fighting force. This transformation is helping them to meet the challenges of the 21st century and maintain national security. The Bangladesh Armed Forces are using a variety of smart technologies, including drones, to enhance their operational capabilities and effectiveness. Unmanned aerial vehicles or drones are used for surveillance, reconnaissance, and even targeted strikes. These drones can cover vast areas and provide critical data without putting human lives at risk. They provide real-time information about enemy movements and positions, allowing for quick decision-making and strategic planning. This real-time data is invaluable in modern warfare. Advanced radar systems, acoustic sensors, and thermal imaging cameras are used to detect and track potential threats. These technologies can identify hidden dangers and provide a comprehensive view of the battlefield. These systems enhance situational awareness and provide early warning, giving the armed forces a significant advantage in anticipating and responding to threats. The Bangladesh Armed Forces are also investing in advanced cybersecurity systems to protect their networks and data from cyber attacks. Cybersecurity is a critical component in safeguarding sensitive information and ensuring the integrity of military operations. This is crucial for maintaining communication and operational security. Encrypted communication devices and secure networks ensure that information remains confidential and protected from adversaries. These are just a few examples of how smart technologies are being used by the Bangladesh Armed Forces. The integration of these advanced systems is transforming the way military operations are conducted, making them more efficient and effective. Section 4. Benefits of smart technologies for a stronger defense. Smart technologies offer numerous benefits for the Bangladesh Armed Forces, including enhanced situational awareness. These advanced tools allow for real-time monitoring and data collection, providing a constant stream of valuable information. These technologies provide commanders with a clearer and more comprehensive understanding of the battlefield. With high-tech visualization tools, they can see the terrain, troop movements, and potential threats in great detail. Improved decision-making is another significant advantage. Commanders can use decision support systems to evaluate different scenarios and choose the best course of action. Data analysis and simulations help commanders make faster and more informed decisions, leading to more effective operations. These simulations can predict outcomes and help in planning strategies. Additionally, there is reduced risk to soldiers. Safety technology, such as advanced protective gear and automated systems, ensures that soldiers are better protected in the field. By using drones and robots for dangerous missions, the Bangladesh Armed Forces can minimize the risks faced by their soldiers. These unmanned systems can perform reconnaissance, surveillance, and even combat tasks. Increased efficiency and cost-effectiveness is also a key benefit. Automated systems streamline operations, making processes faster and more reliable. Smart technologies can automate tasks, optimize resource allocation, and reduce the need for large numbers of personnel. This not only saves costs, but also allows for better resource management. These benefits contribute to a stronger, more agile, and responsive defense force. The integration of smart technologies ensures that the Bangladesh Armed Forces are well prepared to face any challenges. Section 5. A smarter future for Bangladesh Armed Forces. Smart technologies are revolutionizing the Bangladesh Armed Forces. They are transforming how the military operates, making it more efficient, effective, and prepared for future challenges. By embracing these technologies, the Bangladesh Armed Forces are ensuring that they remain a strong and capable force for the defense of the nation. The future of defense is smart, and the Bangladesh Armed Forces are at the forefront of this technological revolution.